Okay, these were the trellises that I loved the best. I love them so much that I treated myself to 2 more at Christmas time. I wonder what I will actually plant on them. So excited for next year, can't wait. It's mid-April. I'm gonna go ahead and put my plant trellises together. You can see it's a pretty small box. I got it from Collections, etc. I've already done a video and review on this, but it's really easy. This tells you everything you should have, A, B, C, D, pretty much E through G. This is actually H. Tells you exactly how to assemble this. Super easy. Already did it before. Okay, so it is May 15th out here, and you can see the color differentiation of the older one that is in front and the 2 brand spanking new ones that are in the back. You can see I've got a little bit of weathering up on these nuts and screws. It really didn't take long for me to put these together, especially once I went and got that little electric screwdriver. It went very fast. This sort of hurts your hands if you're just going to twist it. I would recommend you get one of those and zip through it. But it was just a great little pre-spring project. So let's go ahead and get stuff laid out. I need to see how that's gonna go, and I'll be back for a nice update. All right, so now we're working on the tomatoes, and you can see from this vantage point here, this greenhouse will be gone. I'll have some tomatoes over there as well. And the tomatoes here, this is where I get all of the full sun, and they will not block the sun of the melons back here. It is May 30th. I just wanted to give you a little recap. These are starting to grow a little bit slowly. We've had a super cold spring. I went ahead and I direct sowed some more of these Carmen seeds over here. July 2nd. Look at how great my new trellises are working out for me. Woo. Should have a little bit more length on this in a couple of days, where I can bring it up more of the trellis. Look at that. Succession planning with that one. Excellent. July 27th, let's talk about my trellis Christmas gift. Ooh, they are trellising quite nice here. You can see when you have a lot of the weight in the front that they will lean a little bit, especially right after a hard rain. The soil gets soggy. It's not as solid. That's just how that works. Look at this gorgeous melon here. And there's another one that will be developing for us here. And there's 2 big ones on this side. There's one here. And one back here. See that? 2 right together. This also has some development. This is a completely different variety. French, very fussy, and has been fussy for me the last 3 years. This is not a shock or a surprise. And I need to go through here and see the vines that I can actually keep flipping up here. But all nice and lined up and lovely. It is August 11th, and look at how gorgeous the outline of this cloud is right here. Excellent. So pretty. Just a Friday night. Let's talk about my 3 trellises. So this one in the middle is the one that's already faded and patinaed, and she's not looking so good on here, But nor de Carmes, that doesn't look too good, but look at what's going on here. There's 3 right here. She tripled down on me. There are 2 right here, 1 right here, possibly 2 on this. These could really twin out on me. These would be sensational. Another one here. Because they totally twinned out on me over here. Got 2 right here back to back. Just a single one up here. And 2 twins down here again. And you can tell she's still nice, bright, and black and shiny. And this one is still just a little bit leaned this way. That's all right. I'm not too worried about that. You can stake them in the back if you need to. I've really, really enjoyed these trellises and these melons this year. So you guys, let's look at these trellises from this area. So you can see this one has the most weight on it because this has the 5 melons, and this one is poking out, which really doesn't have any melons on it at all. It was really just the way it was situated in the ground. Probably should have pushed it down a little bit more, or taken the stake back there, because these vines got humongous and heavy. So it doesn't look like it was anything at this moment. She was very heavy at one point, and all of those leaves were coming forward because I kept training them. And I couldn't get in the back here to train them without knocking off the blooms, and I did not want to do that. It just happened that this grew a little bit better and a little bit more convenient for trellis. All right, so the middle one needs to be pulled. She's not viable at all, but Nora on both sides flanking very much are. I see no reason to keep this up. I'm gonna get this taken down today. Guys, I wanna thank you so much for watching this video. I will hook Nor de Carmes melon to this video. I hope to see you again. I hope you join me in my non-traditional Zone 5, Northwest Ohio garden. Please stop by and see me again. Thought you'd want to see how that changed. Look at that little tip right there, just highlighted. Nature in the sky is just amazing. Thank you so much for watching, and I invite you again to subscribe, as I have been gardening for over 40 years and have a lot to teach, show, grow, review, experiment with, and my favorite, a specific variety everything deep dive. So let's try new things together, mix it up, and have a glorious day.